Peak's Xiaoqingshan Driverless Sweeper. Based on deep learning and driverless technology, it's an intelligent cleaning device. Xiaoqingshan Driverless Sweeper. It can replace manual labor to independently perform cleaning operations, enhance the city's technological image and intelligent level, reduce manual cleaning costs. It integrates high-precision positioning navigation module, laser radar and visual fusion perception algorithm to achieve efficient and accurate automatic cleaning operations. Support edge cleaning on different road surfaces. Full area coverage cleaning. Meet the needs of various cleaning scenarios such as designated area cleaning, mobile app remote control, support viewing of vehicle cleaning reports. Can realize automatic recharging and automatic water refilling. Xiaoqingshan Driverless Sweeper. Suitable for industrial parks, shopping malls, residential communities, parks, schools and other places.